one of the features that we ordered whenever we got our Rockwood was a folding cargo rack, as the birds agree in the background. And you could see that this is a huge bicycle. This is one of the biggest bicycles that you can buy. These are 26-inch, I believe, tires, and they're 26 by 4-inch. And it is an 80-pound bike. Now, the rack itself, we read the caution here, maximum capacity 200 pounds. So we could put both these bikes on here because the bikes are 90 pounds a piece. So we're right at about maximum. The nice thing about it is, again, you can fold this up if you're not using it. If you get into a situation where the campground says, hey, you know, we got to fit you in this spot and it's just a little tight, you can fold this up. You can take your stuff off of there and you can fold it, you know, back in.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
Definitely a nice option to have. This is part of it, by the way, and whenever this isn't being utilized, it will go in a storage mode. Now, we actually suggest that you buy some extra pins, because we took, just trying it out, we took the other pin from this side. There's one pin that locks it in the up position, and that same pin is used to lock it in the down position. I think you should have 2 pins, and the reason is in the down position you can put both pins in for extra support and help it. Now, you're still going to get some movement out of it. There's going to be some movement when you're going down the road, but it's secure. I mean, it's pretty well secure. So if you're ordering your Rockwood fifth wheel, and one of the options is a folding cargo carrier, I don't get to see a lot of them out there, so I thought I'd shoot this video real quick and point it out and show you what kind of size it is. Now, the other nice thing you could use for this, and in our case would be really nice, is whenever we're not hauling bicycles, let's say we don't have bikes and we have this in the up position as we travel. However, we stop for the night and we need to fire up our generator. Well, it'd be real nice to come back and be able to set our generator up on this rack, you know, fold the rack down, put the generator on it, and then be able to plug it in with just a short cord in the back there, because our plug's right in the back. And it would be up off the ground. You could secure it to the rack, and if you wanted to, I'm sure you could put one of those gen tents on there to keep it secure in the rain. Just a thought, but we wanted to touch base with one of the things that we like about our Rockwood fifth wheel. This is the 2899 KS, and one of the options for 2022, and I'm sure moving forward, is a folding cargo rack. And this is what you can expect. Oh, by the way, both 2 bikes can fit up here, just facing in opposite directions, no problem. So definitely be able to do it if you have a couple of big fat electric bikes. In the up position, you can see there's still a decent amount of movement there, but it's really not going to affect anything. You're far enough from everything, but I do like this area. This kind of makes it nice if you wanted to. We just got some wood thrown in here, but you could use this to capture one of the smaller blue boys. I don't think our blue boy would fit in there. It would be awful tight because we have a 42 gallon, but the thing with the Rockwoods, if you decide you don't need a cargo carrier, but I mean, if you do, why wouldn't you just order one already, you know, on the unit? But it does come with a receiver hitch. Now, that's not for towing, but it will hold 300 pounds. So you do have the capacity of 300 pounds. You can see here. You could put any kind of a bike carrier or hauler or anything that you want on there, but with this thing down, definitely you can haul your bike.